Psalm 122:3 Conceivably David envisioned unity in a future city built by God. Verse 3 of Psalm 122, Jerusalem, built as a city should be, solidly joined. Perhaps what the pilgrims saw was a city like this one in Cappadocia, Turkey, homes built up without gaps and few open spaces, one house next to the other, presenting a connected community. Conceivably though, David envisioned a future city built by God with no wasteland and not assembled with a collection of Bedouin tents. The New Jerusalem is founded on the rock, built by the hands of the greatest artist and arranged with wisdom. The city of God, Jerusalem, was David's motivating inspiration for this futuristic vision. The city of the future will not be like the one he was currently viewing and will not be simply one that has evolved from commerce and situated along a busy thoroughfare forced by geography. The deep depressions which secured the city of David's day must have always acted as its natural defense, but the geographic restrictions also determined its natural boundaries. Neither is Jerusalem a city of sprawling scope, rather the allotted space was filled, the buildings were a solid block, a mass of unity, compact, and conveyed to them the idea of a neighborhood with a strong defense. There was no flaw in this architect's mind. His vision was of a pearl of a city that would be well into his future with Jehovah as its sole defender. The Church of God should also share these same attributes. One of the most delightful conditions should be our unity, one Lord, one faith, one baptism. The church after Pentecost should be a church that is one in creed, one in heart, one in aspiration, one in testimony and one in service, as well as one in empathy for the lost. Those who build dividing walls within her, greatly injure our witness. The church needs unity in the word, not dividing it by human wisdom or self-seeking agenda. The seeker finds no joy in a church which is rent with internal dissension. The gladness of holy men is aroused by the adhesiveness of love, the unity of life. It would be their sadness if they saw the church to be a house divided against itself. Some bodies of Christians appear to be periodically blown to fragments, and no gracious man is glad to be in the way when the explosions take place. Thither the tribes do not go up, for strife and contention are not attractive forces. What verifies the prophetic reference to this vision of a new Jerusalem is found in the next few passages.